Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a beginner inner and outer thighs routine for you. I'll be using a Pilates ball for today's routine, so if you don't have one of these, you can substitute with a towel or pillow for some of the exercises, and you can do a lot of them without anything. So when you're ready, go ahead and grab a mat and let's get started. We're going to start on our backs, knees bent, feet firmly planted on the floor. Go ahead and bring your ball and place it between your knees, back of the neck long, hands by your hips. Inhale to prepare, then exhale, draw navel to spine and squeeze the ball. Inhale, release. Exhale, squeeze. Inhale, release. Keep going here, squeezing the ball gently between your inner thighs and letting your lower abdomen and the tension go as you inhale. Using that exhale to really draw your lower abdomen in, pelvic floor up as you squeeze. Just a few more here, squeezing and releasing. Keeping the ball between your knees. Last two. Now keeping the ball here, keep a gentle squeeze on the ball, then push through your heels to lift your hips straight up into a bridge. Inhale, lower the hips down. Exhale, lift up. Inhale, lower. Keep moving in and out of your bridge here with a straight spine, so no curl for today. Getting the glutes warmed up and maintaining that squeeze of the ball to engage your inner thighs a bit more. Last 3, 2, 1, hold this position, keep that squeeze on the ball, and then squeeze a little more on your exhale. Inhale, release. Exhale, squeeze the ball. Inhale, release. Exhale, squeeze. Release. Squeeze. Release. Squeeze. Release, and then let's come into some quicker squeezes for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower your hips down. Go ahead and take the ball away and roll over onto your left side, lying on your outstretched arm. Bring your shins parallel with the front of your mat, so you're at 90-degree bend at the hips and the knees. And go ahead and place that ball behind your top knee. Make sure it's nice and snug there, squeezing your right heel towards your right glute to keep the ball in position. Inhale, pull your bottom waist away from the floor to come to neutral. Then exhale, lift your top leg up. Inhale, lower. Exhale, lift. Lower, lift, lower. Really rotating at your hip here and keeping a good squeeze on that ball. Let's do 4 more. 3, 2, hold the leg lifted, just hovering above your bottom leg, and then exhale, drive the leg back behind you, bringing your thigh in line with your body. Inhale, knee comes forward, parallel with your bottom leg. Exhale, foot drives back in line with your body. Inhale, forwards, exhale, back. Keep moving here. Keeping that leg on the same level the whole time. Try not to let it drop. Last 3, 2, 1. Bring that top leg again over your bottom left leg. And then drawing some small circles here, let the leg scoop down, up and around. Moving smoothly in one direction. And again, just check that you're still squeezing that ball in to engage the back of your leg a bit more. Switch direction, opening your circle out, then scooping down. Just check that you still have that left waist away from the floor. And then go ahead and lower your top right leg down. Go ahead and grab the ball. Straighten your left leg underneath you and bring your right leg on top, resting the right knee on the ball. Inhale, flex your left foot, then exhale, lift. Inhale, lower the leg. Exhale, lift. Lower, lift, lower. Just a small lift off the ground here. Keeping your left leg straight. Keeping your left waist away from the mat. Nice and long through that left leg. 5 more. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold and little pulses up for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower the leg down. Very nice. Go ahead and push yourself up to seated. Swing your legs around and then come to rest on your right side to repeat the series. So lying on your outstretched arm, shins parallel with the front of your mat, knees stacked, ankles stacked, and hips stacked, so pull your right waist away from the floor. Bring the ball behind your left knee and really tuck it in, squeezing your left heel to your left glute. Inhale to prepare, then exhale, lift the top left leg. Inhale, lower, exhale, lift, lower, lift, lower. Keep moving here. Nice rotation at your hip joint. And see if you can keep that foot and knee moving as one unit. Thigh and shin as one. Last one. Then lower the left leg just to hover above the right. Inhale, hold. Then exhale, slide the leg back, thigh in line with your body. Inhale, forwards. Exhale, back. Forwards, back, forwards, back. Coming into our side kick here. Really squeezing that ball. Last 2. Coming to rest with the left leg parallel with the bottom leg, keep it lifted, and coming into our circle, so a little forwards movement, down, circle back and up. Nice controlled hip circles here, only moving as much as you can without losing that stable pelvis. Go ahead and switch direction, open, go back, close, scoop forwards. Again, the circles don't have to be very big, as long as you make sure you're keeping that squeeze on the ball. And then lower the left leg down. Go ahead and grab the ball. Straighten your bottom right leg long and place your left knee on the ball on the floor. Flex your right foot. Inhale. Check that you still have space between your right waist and the mat. Then exhale, lift that leg up. Inhale, lower, exhale, lift, lower, lift, lower, coming again into our inner thigh lifts, keeping the left knee stable, keeping the right leg straight, head relaxed on your outstretched arm, exhaling to lift, inhaling to lower. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold and little pulses up for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very nice. Lower the leg down. Just bring the ball by your side. Go ahead and roll over onto your back. Back of the neck long, shoulders melting into the mat. Place your left ankle over your right knee. If this is enough of a stretch, stay here. If you'd like to go deeper, go ahead and thread your arms through to grab your right thigh and pull it in towards your chest. Getting a nice stretch through your left glute. Take another breath here. And then switching sides, bringing your right ankle over your left knee. Again, staying here if that's enough of a stretch for you. Otherwise, grabbing your left thigh and hugging it in towards your chest to stretch your right glute this time. Last breath. Then lower the legs back down. Place the soles of the feet to touch and open the knees to the side. Hands by your side or resting on your belly, whichever is more comfortable for you. Feel free to prop the knees up with some pillows or towels on either side. And just take a few breaths here. One more breath. And then when you're ready, close the knees. Come up into a comfortable seated position. Inhale, bring your arms up to the sky, stretching through your body. And then exhale, let it go. You're all done. Thank you so much for joining. Don't forget to leave a like and comment down below if you'd like more videos like this. I hope you all have a lovely day, and I'll see you in the next video.